Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Lady Bella Naturally here. Today I want to show you how I put on a turban. Yes, there are like tons of videos on how to put on a turban. What makes mine different is basically I've noticed a couple things in the method that you do it. At least for me, I noticed that when I do, you know how you put on a turban and it's the exact same cloth, and some days it looks better than other days and you're not sure why. One thing I've noticed, a couple things I've noticed, at least with doing that, and I want to talk about it today. So I'm going to put on this little beanie. Let me brush my hair a little bit first. I put a little bit of hair gel on my hair end. My hair is looking like I don't know what. And I'm just going to brush it up a little bit. Get that taken care of. Put this little beanie on. It's silk. It's a kind of a it's not a silk beanie. It is a smooth material. It's not cotton that'll dry out my hair, so that's why I like using it, to put on my hair. This cloth I'm using is pretty fluid. It's not stiff at all. And I noticed that when I fold the cloth in half, in a perfect half, I get a different result versus if I just fold the cloth maybe a quarter or a third of the way, about a third of the way. So when I do it this way, put it on my head here, and the folded side is toward the nape of my neck. Try and get it really even. And try and do it as firm as possible. And I just draw it so there's no gaps up here or anything like that. And I begin to twist. And while I'm twisting the cloth while I'm twisting them around each other. So twist the cloth, twist around, twist the cloth, twist around, twist the cloth, twist around. Now I'm doing this very tight. If I didn't do these as tight, it's going to create a different result. So it's all about playing around with it. So this is pretty tight. Sometimes I don't even get it so even. Sometimes I have one side longer than the other. It happens. I don't really want to tuck this last piece under because then it's going to make it too bulky like that. I don't want to do that. So I do it like this so it's not pushing it up to the top too much. Let me just tuck it in. Alright, so that is one method. That's one way I do it. And adjust accordingly. I'm going to do it again, but I'm not going to tie the twists as tight, and you'll see that it does create a different look. So undo these. I'm going to make it a little bit looser. I still want this part tight up here. I want it firm on the head. I'm not going to make this as tight as I did before. This is loose. For some reason, I don't know why, but now they're different in length, which is interesting. And I didn't take it off my head. So now I don't have it super tight. And I still don't want to necessarily tuck it completely under. mean, you know, to some people it's like not a big deal, to others it is. But for some reason, I don't know, for me, sometimes you just look more like a unicorn compared to others. I don't know, it just looks different, and it's a little bit neater to me. It's my opinion. But details matter, and to a lot of women, it does make a difference. It's a big deal. So anyway, I just want to show you that, and yeah, a quick little short thing I just felt like showing you at the moment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay blessed.